Halor ke Jingmut ke Sorkar jalaban penken riak Jaka ki Nongdie Jingde harut surak badlen tiyat kejat ki badan ha kenong ba Shillong ha kesantarik unok pra araja arpusau uba snyau bahalang dhar usumbut menteri ke jelau beripej ru ke Tnat Urban Affairs ula penpau baka Sorkar kan sawat benia ki katu kat ni teli ki Jaka na kebenta ki Nongdie Jingde Madan. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor bas nyau bahalang dhar ulaang. Baka Sorkar kadang wat Jaka ban pen kenria ya baro ki Nongdie Madan bat ya ki Jaka ki baka Sorkar ke Ladep Jingmut ru kan Ïakren biang bat ki Nongdie Madan. Ulaang ru baya ke Jing'e na ke Jingkapnya ki Jaka penyeng kali ke Sorkar kala pen krea ya ke Shillong Master Plan bat hadir ke Jing pen kenria ya ki building Sorkar Jaka New Shillong ansaduna kini ki Jing'e.
Yeah, they met me, so it's a very good meeting. They request me, sir, please give us a good space. And I told them, don't worry, I'm with you. Please cooperate with the government. We will try to locate a good place for them. So be patient and be with the government together. Yes, you won't be able to get exactly what you want. We may not get exactly what you want. So I think by dialogue we'll be able to get a good place. So I request you to cooperate with the government, and they are very happy. Because frankly speaking, they are our brother and sister. We have to think properly. We can't throw them just like that. No. We'll be taking a united decision along with them nicely. So in the meantime, we are still identifying a few more places. So we will be decided by a joint meeting with my officer and with them together. Not a number of hawkers. Now we are trying to locate the new place where to get them. That is point number one. And only when the place is identified, and we will discuss with them which is official vendor, which is not. That is exactly we are going to deal with the one which has been registered first. All is officially know what has been registered. Not are being, we are yet to identify.
Yet to identify.
Yes.
So what about the places which were already identified? Has the hawkers rejected those?
No, not we have to share with them. No, we have to share with them together. It may be they may say yes, they may say no. We will discuss again what's the problem. There is no issue on that. They didn't reject it. They said, okay, we offered them 3-4 places. Said, okay, we will see, we'll discuss between them and with their side also. That is the reason. We didn't mean that is the government is soft. We didn't mean that government is soft and they are rough. Not like that. Yes, if somebody disturb, like somebody ABC come and sit along the road, along the street, along the footpath. That is why we have to regulate properly in such a manner. There will be no disturbance for the people who walk on the footpath or people who move within the crowded area. At least 600 for the registered one. There is a record in the office who are the registered hawker. Yes, it may be more, it may be a little bit beyond the registered one, but we have to keep survey from time to time. No? You see, that is the reason even last week I had just approved the Shillong Master Plan. You know very well. So mainly is concerned for this only. And you are rightly said there is the embankment and disembankment for the taxi is not properly located. So all the joint department we had, there is a few departments who are the committee with the traffic thing. So they are working on this. So it's a continuous process and it's a continuous problem. So sometimes we have to enforce police also, sometimes no way out. So but at the same time we have to request them also, please follow the rules so that there will be no crowded, there will be no traffic jam unnecessarily create problem for the people who move around here and there, especially like you have said in the PB, which is a very crowded place. So we are working on it. So and that is why the government has taken the decision to move out to the new secretariat with the new city. That is one of the reasons. Until we move out with the new one, this problem will continue. Whatever we say, why I should talk blindly? I have to explain the truth because the road remain the same, the building remain the same, and the people keep increasing every day. And that is why we, as a responsible leader of the state, we have already decided to move to the new township immediately. And I be patient with us. I think within 3 to 4 years, when the new secretariat, new regular is ready, and at least maybe 70-80% of the department will move that side, then there will be huge difference between us we are facing as of now. We have to work accordingly. It should not disturb them also, and they should not disturb us also, and they should not disturb the public also. That is the crux that we are facing every now and then. So even the police traffic department is working very hard on this. with PWD and transport together, and especially with the district administration. So we are still working, but unless we are getting ready with the new township, this problem will face. Frankly speaking, for the short-term solution, you are rightly said, we are yet to now so many parking that is under construction. Maybe within short time, maybe a 3-4 months. But even though if the parking is complete, this normal traffic still remain because it's on the road. You see.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki marba Madan ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.